Hey everyone, this is Norm from Bear Bull Traders. Just wanted to do a quick recap for today, August 23rd, 2018. Not my best day, it worked out. We'll go through a couple of these trades real quick. So MU was very weak at the start, at the open. And I think a couple of us got a little FOMO'd on this. It broke VWAP, just kept going down, got this massive, 60, 70 cent move, missed that, waited for a pullback, got in at VWAP. Target was low of day, which it looked like it was going to try to do. Stop loss was just above VWAP. Risk to reward was nice. Took the trade, didn't work out. As you can see, I got stopped out. What was a little frustrating, or mistake on my part, I'm trying not to trade the same stock again if I have a problem with it, and I did it real fast here. Once again, FOMO, it just looked so weak. So when it hit this 9 moving average, I don't know, 30 seconds after I'd gotten out of it, I went short again like a moron. Once again, it was generally the same. I had this 49.97 level up here from previous day, and then low of day was target. So once again, risk to reward was okay. I got out of my stop. I can't be too unhappy about losing that. The problem was hopping back in at that quickly. And one thing when I was in the original trade I had a concern with was this large wick on this 1 minute candle. And then it could not break this level. And this made me question whether it was actually weak or not. And as you can see, I mean, it's been kind of range bound, but went up fairly substantially after that. So I took a minor loss on those two, not a big deal. Live to fight another day, which is exactly what I went on and did. Had EXAS on the screen. We'd been trading it the last couple of days, or at least I had. It's been really strong. And so I was watching it. I mean, it was just from the open, just, straight line up, essentially. From the open, had this little consolidation. I hadn't seen it at this point yet, but I recognized this ABCD. It was beautiful ABCD on the 5 minute chart. Started to pop up, started to consolidate again a tiny bit. It was jumping around 10, 15 cents every few seconds. So I took a half size at this previous level, which was an all-time high. It's marked a little low. I think it's about 10 cents higher than that, but it's what I had it marked on my chart from several weeks ago. Took a half size, hoping I would actually get a better fill on some. So went ahead and took that. It was around, my cost was around 71.42. And then it just started moving straight up. It was beautiful. Now I started scaling out. 72 was my first target. My risk was breaking the 9 moving average. Didn't look like it was, didn't look like it was going to do that. So good risk to reward. Started scaling out once it popped 72, kept going up. I think I got out my last piece in the 72.60 range, 72.70. So, I mean, it was a beautiful trade. It worked out nicely. Patience, though. One thing most, if not all, traders have to work on is some patience. I wish I'd have held a little bit more. I hit my goal for the day. It's 8 in a row, so I can't complain too much. But it had another $1 to move after I was fully out of the stock, and it wasn't but 3 to 5 minutes before it got up there. So anyway, I want to thank you for watching. Trade safe, be smart.